So I took a fall. Basically, I was sitting on my bike, side of the road. The Expulse rider decided to come and hit on my front tire from the right side, and I took a fall on the left side. Now, when I fell, I did not fall completely, so I was holding my bike from the left-hand side handlebar. And when I was doing that, the handlebar, I lifted the bike up, put it on the stand, and I observed right after that the handlebar is bent a little. Now, I don't know if it just happened with one of this handle, because this is by Royal Enfield Interceptor handlebar, which I had installed on my GT650. Now, I want to go ahead and now install Renthal or a Pro Taper, but I want to have a good look at them, and then install it maybe in the future. For now, I'm installing the Clip-Ons handlebar again. But before we do that, there's a question mark on the quality of these handlebars, since I trust Royal Enfield more than any bike companies in India, any manufacturer in India. But the handlebar quality is just not up to the mark. So we are putting the clip-on handlebar back and giving it the cafe racer look from the scrambler look that we tried to achieve here. This is also temporary. Let me tell you, when you use the clip-on handlebars on this bike, the tank is long, your posture is pulled towards front too much. So your back hurts, your wrist hurts. It's not comfortable. This heavy bike with that handlebar is not comfortable. Unlike any other cafe racer, which are lightweight, or even if they are heavy, the tank is not this long. The space between you and the handlebar is not that long. This is just maybe me. It could be different with you. Maybe you're riding a GT650, which is just fine with the clip-on handlebar, but I've seen a lot of people using the Interceptor handlebar. So let's just keep this topic aside maybe for some other video. But today, let's go ahead and remove these and install the clip-on handlebar. That way, you can also remove and install this handlebar. I'll tell you step by step, and I'll also tell you what are the parts that you need in case you want to install Interceptor handlebar or install a clip-on handlebars. So while removing, you'll understand how to install the clip-on. While removing, you'll understand how to install the Interceptor handlebar. And while fitting the clip-on, you'll understand how to put the clip-ons back, or how to put the clip-ons on Interceptor if you own one. And if you want to give your Interceptor a cafe style, that'll look even more beautiful, because I believe Scrambler should have flat tank and cafe racers should have a little oval shaped tanks. Royal Enfield did this vice versa, but I'm pretty happy the way bike looks, both the bike Interceptor and GT. But GT has a soft spot in my heart. It's a very, very beautiful bike. So let's stop talking here. Let's start doing it. Let me show you how to do it. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like the video if you liked it, and also share it with friends who do all of these crazy things. So let's get started. So it's raining outside, and I had to get the bike inside to fix it. We usually do all of the work in open. Since it's not happening outside, it's raining, I'm doing it here. So don't mind the light. Now, we got everything in place. I'll show you. This is the 333, the upper clamp. Then I've got these two. Okay. Yeah, I've got these clamps, the handlebar itself, upper clamp. Now, you must be wondering, what is this? This basically goes inside, and you see this one? It's basically this. So when you change the handlebar, this also comes out. You just have to put it inside and push it. Make sure if you have removed this, don't lose this one, because if you lose this one, the pin I'm talking about, the clamp that holds the rod, you'll have to buy the entire set, and that's costly. So yeah, that's how it goes with Royal Enfield. Now what we'll do is we'll first open these, because I should be able to remove the handlebar grip. So we will remove these first and try to remove the grip. Only after then we will loosen these bolts here, and on the other side there, and in the middle here. Once you do this will come out. Alright, before that you'll have to remove the bolts which is under there holding the mount here. So while I do, I'll show you and I'll tell you also how to do it, so you can also do on your bike. Let's get started. This one is out, the second one is yet to come. Like you saw, we have removed the one side clamp. I already loosened it, but I'm not going to remove it right away because I need to. This is out anyways. What I need to do is, I need to remove this entire thing. Okay, I need to remove this entire thing. So for that I need to unbolt this and a couple of here, and this entire part will come out. After that we will do the upper clamp, and then we will fix the GT handle back to GT. Look at the bike, the handlebar is completely out. You see, this was Interceptor handlebar. Now, I don't know how do I show you, but this is bent on my left side more than the right side. I don't know.
you cannot make out maybe in the video, but this is much bent on the left side. Anyways, we have successfully removed the handlebar. Now it's time to put the clip-ons. Time to bear some pain in the wrist and the back, but that's okay because this is just time being. The moment we decide to travel somewhere, I'm gonna put the Renthal or Pro Taper, one of the good handle once I decided, because the design of GT deserves a Brat style or let's say track style handlebar. Cafe racer handlebar looks good too. The design can be modified. The bike can be modified as per your taste. People who own GT with the clip-on handlebars know the pain. So let's keep that topic for a different video to argue. But let's just go ahead and put the clip-ons and see the bike, how it looks. So you see the Allen key here, and one more here. They're all out. Now, just below the clamp, you have, because of the light I'm not able to show you, you have this bolt. Yeah, you have this one on both the side. I think they are 12 mil. Let me tell you how much. Yeah, so it's basically 14 mil. 14 mil, you will be able to open this. Only when you open this one, this clamp will come out. Otherwise, you will keep wondering and struggling that why is it not coming up. So let's go ahead and just do that. Now, once you remove the handlebar and you remove the bolts underneath here, from underneath, you'll have to use a hammer if you have it. Push it out. Once you push it out, you have the bolts, two bolts for the meter. That means here, you see this? Those. So you'll have to remove those as well. If I'm not wrong, they're Allen key. They look like Allen key. Let me see. Okay, so this is out. You see, this is the difference between the Interceptor's clamp and the GT clamps. You see, on a side by side, if I show you, this is the GT, this is Interceptor. You have these two to hold the clamps and then the handlebar. This one doesn't have, since the clamps goes here. This one will fit here. So you see this cap, this one, this basically, this one needs to be fixed to it so that you know, so that both the angle for handlebar is on the correct side. If you don't do it, you'll not be able to fit it. So this is how it's look. The meter, everything has come up out. So now the two bolts that holds the meter, I have fixed it here. Okay, now before fitting the clamp, you'll have to make sure that you now install the clips. The clips will come first and then you will put the clamp. So I've put the clamp on the both side equal to the bolt. Now you see this one, just rotate it, pull it up, you will feel it locked. Once it is locked, you'll have to tighten the Allen key, this one. Now on to the other side. We're almost there, we're almost done. Basically, I just have to now do is put the rods and then put the assembly of all the switches and everything, and we are good to go, mostly. So while you fix the accelerated side or on the other side, make sure you see these has to go here, just so that you don't get confused and do anything wrong. Just push it and lock it. Now once that is locked, you are good to go. You can tighten everything up, and this will be just as the factory standard. You'll put the clip-ons back to the way it comes with the standard GT. Almost everything is done. 95% is done. These are the extra switches that I think this space should be enough for it. This one has come properly onto its space. This is for the headlight, and this is for the light. So I've made a video on these lights. If you're looking to buy these lights, the link is in the description. You can buy these lights. These are very amazing. 90 watts. I think 60 watts each. Something like that. Click on the link to know more about the specification. Alright, so that was the video on how do you change the handlebars. Basically, you can remove and fix the clip-ons back to your GT or Interceptor, or you can use the street brat style or flat track handlebar. The procedure is pretty much the same. So that's it for today. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video if you liked it, and share it with somebody who wished to do it at home. Now you must be wondering, why do I have KTM at the back and not the GT? Because this is fast forward a week. We did not get a time to shoot post fixing the bike because it was rainy and it was midnight almost, and then we had to go home. Since we are already shooting for Duke 390's video that is upcoming, I thought of ending the video right here since we are already doing this. So ending this video here. Once again, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on my next video. Till then, take care, have fun, ride safe. Cheers.